Welcome back to Organic Oasis, California. While visiting Maui recently, Tim and I had the opportunity to tour beautiful Oʻo Farm, a sustainable organic farm nestled on the slopes of Haleakalā. As gardeners, we couldn't wait to see how they grow their crops and create meals using ingredients that they harvest just steps from the kitchen. Come along as we explore this incredible farm. One of the first things we noticed was just how peaceful everything felt. Surrounded by mountain views, fresh air, and beautifully maintained gardens, it's easy to see why this farm is such a special place. Rows of vegetables, herbs, flowers, and fruit trees stretch across the property, creating a healthy ecosystem where everything works together. As home gardeners, it's always inspiring to see another way of growing food using sustainable practices and healthy soil. Everywhere we looked, there was something growing. Fresh greens, root vegetables, herbs, colorful flowers, and so many pollinators enjoying the gardens. The flowers aren't just beautiful, they help attract beneficial insects, and many are also edible, becoming part of the meals that they serve at this farm. It's a wonderful reminder that a productive garden can also be incredibly beautiful. What makes Oʻo Farm unique is its commitment to sustainability. The focus is on growing food responsibly while caring for the land, using practices that build healthy soil and encourage biodiversity. Instead of simply producing food, they're creating an environment where nature and farming thrive together. As organic gardeners ourselves, we really appreciated that philosophy. As gardeners, we left with so much inspiration, from healthy growing practices to the creative ways they use flowers, herbs, and fresh vegetables harvested at their peak. After exploring the gardens, it was finally time to enjoy the farm-to-table lunch. Nearly everything on our plates was harvested right here on the farm, from the fresh salad and homemade focaccia to the beautifully prepared entrees. Every bite celebrated the incredible flavors of fresh, seasonal ingredients. The edible flowers added the perfect finishing touch, almost too beautiful to eat. You can truly taste the difference when food goes straight from the garden to the table. Before we left, we couldn't help admiring these stunning flower arrangements. Many of these blooms are grown right here on the farm, adding one last splash of color and beauty to an already unforgettable experience. Our visit to Oʻo Farm was one of our favorite memories from Maui. If you love gardening, sustainable farming, or simply appreciate fresh, locally grown food, this is an experience we highly recommend. Thank you so much for joining us on today's garden adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Organic Oasis California, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy gardening!